Hi friends, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is a altcoin chart request video where we are going to look at 5 altcoins in their USDT pair. I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. Let us begin today's video. Guys, if you like this video, if you like my analysis and my content that I put on, please subscribe to the channel. That will help me and motivate me to grow this channel. So the first chart for today is Injective, that is Injective USDT daily chart. And the last Injective analysis that we did, we are almost about to hit our target. We did our previous analysis over here where Injective was around at $6 or $7 and our target was almost $14. So we are at 13.6. So that was the target I had given. You can go and check the previous Injective video also. So on this Injective daily chart right now, the very important point which you are flipping into support right now is at $11.5. You can see over here very clearly it was a previous support. We broke down. This was a complete round bottom and we have again come up and we are currently above it and we need to flip it into support. As long as we stay above 11.5, I can see in this next leg up Injective going and hitting at least $30 in my opinion. If at all we break 11.5, the very important support here is at 6.2. So this zone is a best accumulation zone in my opinion. If at all you get to buy any dip below this, it is worth buying because Injective overall is a very solid project. But if you're looking to just trade this, as long as we are above 11.5, I think you are good to go and your target at the very least in this next leg up should be $30. So this is where I see Injective going. Of course, it can go way higher, but I see it going at least till here in this next leg up. The next chart we are looking at is WRX. Let us also look at Injective's our bull support band. Yeah. So even our bull support band, that is 21 EMA, is supporting the current chart, and the 21 DMA is also at around 11.7. So this, in my opinion, is a good time to accumulate Injective, as in the next impulse wave, it can go and hit $30. If we look at the next chart for today, that is WRX or WazirX. Again, for me on the daily chart, the important price point which currently WRX is holding as support is at $1.2. This is an important price point for me. Once we flip it into support, I can see WRX going and hitting 2.5 in the next leg up. So anything between 1.2 to 0.8 is a very good accumulation zone in my opinion. And you can start building your positions if you like this project, because once we start the next impulse wave, I can see it going and hitting at least 2.5. That is again 2x from here. If we go and check our bull support band, yeah, we can very clearly see it's about to cross. In fact, WazirX is about to cross the bull support band over here. So the 21 EMA will cross 200 EMA. This might lead to a very good instant pump in the near future, in my opinion. This is a good time to buy WazirX, in my opinion. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. You are responsible for your profit and loss. The third chart we are looking today is Serum, that is SRM. Again, Serum has hit all our targets. You can go and check the previous analysis. When Serum was at around $3 or $4, I had done this analysis and I had given you a target of around $8 or $9. We have gone beyond that. We hit, in fact, $10 or $12. Yes, and now we have come back down. So on the daily, for me, Serum important price point right now is to flip this zone into bullish, into support, which is at around $9.3. This is a very important zone in my opinion, which SRM needs to flip into support for its next leg up, which currently is acting as resistance. You can very clearly see how important this zone is. See, this was support. This was the final all-time high. It came down and this was the support that was broken. Over here, this was acting as resistance. It created impulse wave, but again, this support broke. And currently it's acting as resistance. 9.3 is an important zone to flip into support if you're looking to trade Serum. I think you can enter it once this zone is flipped into support, and then the profit is still $24. So I see at least going till 24 in the next leg up. If you like this project, which in my opinion is a very good project, then it is currently in a very good accumulation zone. Anything between 9.4 to $5 is accumulation in my opinion for Serum. And as I told you, in the next impulse wave, it will go and hit 23 to $24 minimum. So that is, again, if you like this project, you can enter in now, you can start building positions. If you're looking to just trade it, then I would suggest you to wait for it to flip 9.3 into support. Once it is flipped into support, you can enter and then you can ride it all the way till $24. If we look at the bull support band, you can see even the bull support band is currently acting as resistance, the 21 EMA, and it's getting support from 200 EMA. So again, I think this will take time in accumulation. And if you like the project, yes, this is a good zone to accumulate. Overall, the chart is good and bullish, and we just need to flip 9.3 into support. The fourth chart for today is FTT. I had shared this FTT downtrending line, which was acting as resistance on Twitter. I have kept it over here. This you can see is now flipped into support. The black line that you see, this was a downtrending line. We broke it, FTT, and we saw the impulse wave. And then we have again come down, we have retested it, and currently we are getting resisted by a very important zone in my opinion, which is at around $61. You can see how important $61 has been. So for the next leg up for FTT, in my opinion, you need to flip 61 into support. Once you flip that into support, I can see it going at least till $144. So if you're looking to trade FTT, wait for it to flip 61 into support, then you can enter and enjoy the ride till 144. If you like the project, I love the project. And if you want to accumulate some, it is definitely always a good buy. It's a solid project, not going anywhere. And anything between 61 to $38 is a accumulation zone or a good buy in my opinion. If we look at the bull support band, it is also currently, it's above bull support band. So yes, in that way, FTT is bullish on the daily, and it is a good buy in my opinion because it's above bull support band, which is at $56. But still, if I just want to trade FTT, I personally would wait for it to flip 61 into support and then trade it. So you can make your own decision. And the final chart for today is Solana, that is SOL. If you look at the SOL daily chart, as I have clearly marked over here, for me, important price point for SOL is to flip $155 into support, this zone, which it is already holding, but it needs to still create some more strength over here. It is currently bullish on the daily. There is no bearishness in this chart. It is above 21 EMA, which is at 154. It is also above $155 currently, and it is looking good. And in my opinion, the next leg for a SOL, it will go and at least create no all-time high at $410. I can see SOL going to at least 410, if not more, in this next leg up. So these were the 5 altcoin charts request I had done. I hope you guys like this video and you subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment which altcoins you want me to analyze and I will look at it. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.